What's the meaning of consumerist? Consumerist. Consumerist.
Consumerist. Consumerist. Consumerist refers to a societal and economic ideology that emphasizes the acquisition of goods and services as a primary means of achieving happiness and satisfaction. This ideology is characterized by a focus on material possessions, consumption, and spending as ways to measure success and well-being. The result of consumerism is a culture that places value on material wealth over other important aspects of life such as relationships, experiences, and personal growth. This can lead to a cycle of constant desire for more, often resulting in excessive spending, debt, and environmental harm.